guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my order from TEMU. So let's get right into it. So here is everything out of the package, and we're just gonna take everything out and review it. So let's start with this. So I got two of these. I got little slider toys, and they're super cute, so we're gonna unbox them right now. Okay, so I put everything else to the side, and so we're going to open these two. So let's start with the orange one. They're supposed to be little magnetic slider toys, and I'm going to see how well they work. Okay. The packaging is super cute. Oh, this actually is really cool. You can see the little magnets in the light. But I like how the magnets aren't exposed. It has a nice magnetic pull that keeps going back. Okay, I rate this a 9 out of 10. Okay, now for the second one. This one I got a round biscuit, and they were both randomized colors, but I'm glad with the colors I got. Oh, so this one, well, it's exactly the same as the other one, just a different shape, so I rate it a 9 out of 10. Next up on the list, I got another slider toy, but this one, it is supposed to have 3 tiers instead of 2, so we're gonna find out. Oh, there it is. So, oh, it's pretty heavy. This is actually way better than I expected. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but it gives a nice click. So I am going to rate it a 10 out of 10. On to our next item. I got a lot of stationery, but before we get into that, I want to review this pop hook I got. I think this was a new release by Pop Socket, so we're going to see. Oh, it's silicone. Oh, I love the designs on these. Okay, so how do you work this? Oh. Definitely would take a lot of getting used to, but it can also come, for like backpacks and on your bag and on your keychains. So it would take a lot of getting used to fully master it, but I like it. 8 out of 10. Okay, next up we have this quadrilateral flippy fidget. I don't really know what to call it since it didn't really have a name on it, but you're supposed to kind of toss it or across the table, and then it flips. Oh, it's much lighter than I expected it would be, but you're supposed to kind of go like that, and then it would flip. It would keep on going. So just like the pop puck, this would take kind of getting used to and to really use it to its full power. So when I get the hang of this, I'm sure it'll be fun. But for now, I'm gonna rate it a 7 out of 10. Next we have stationery, and there's a lot of stationery I bought. So we're just gonna pick one and get on with it. So I decided to open first this magnetic fidget pen, since we were using and reviewing fidgets before, and now we are shifting to stationery. This is only right. Okay, so it comes in this little protective box. That's nice. Oh, it's shiny. Okay, so it has these magnetic balls. I'm not really sure how to use this. Okay, so here's the ink. There comes with 2. And there's a lot of magnetic things here, which I'm not really sure what to do and how to put it on. Oh, okay. So you can take it off like that, and this should be, yeah, this is the cap. I want to know, this red thing comes off, and then you can write with it. And there's also this piece that you can use to, like, for your iPad. You can just connect it like that and use it on your phone or iPad. So this is cool, and I can't wait to use this. So I'm going to rate this a 9 out of 10. Next up, I got these pens. They're like checkered, and they're purplish blue. I thought they were really cute, so let's open them. Here is the original box, and you can see them right there. Okay, so the first one we pull out is this pen, and it's really cute. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It feels sturdy, it feels like a good pen. And on the other pens in the pack, there are different designs, like this one that reminds me of a picnic blanket. This one, like grid and white. I don't know what this is, but it's really cute. And there's just many different designs. So I'm gonna go grab a paper and we can test them. Okay, so I'm going to test one for now. I got the red part off, and it was kind of a struggle to get it off. And as you can see, I already kind of wrote on it, but we're gonna see. Don't mind my Microsoft. So it has a lot of ink in it, and like I said, it's not too heavy, it's not too light. I think it's a nice pen. I'm going to rate these an 8 out of 10. Next up are the really cute things I got. Is this little milk correction tape and this little cloud utility knife. Oh, I was not expecting that. So you push it out, and let's see if it's sharp. Oh yes, it's very sharp. It cuts right through it. Very sharp. Okay. So right when you let go of it, it retracts. So that's a nice feature, just in case you leave it out. Okay, so since it's very sharp, it retracts, I think I'm going to rate it a 9 out of 10. Let's put it to the side. And next here we have the milk correction tape. Oh, that's cute. It says, I love milk. I'm gonna go get a pen and a paper. Okay, so I'm just going to write something, and with my correction tape, I am going to use it for its purpose. So I like how it doesn't rip when I'm writing over it with a pen. And for the correction tape, being correction tape, I rate it a 9 out of 10. The thing that I got was this pencil case that is supposed to hold a lot. So let's see if it can hold the stuff I have gotten. It feels like a quality that could be waterproof, but maybe not. It has a lot of pockets. Oh, this is nice already. It has the middle pocket with an inner pocket, and in the inner pocket there is an inner pocket. So a lot of pockets to hold all your stationery. And then in the front zipper, I just closed it. You can see the inner pockets. So that's what it is. It's just kind of opening it to see the middle pocket. And in the large pocket, the main pocket, there is a lot of space and another inner pocket. So depending on how much it holds, I will rate it. And I will put all the stuff I bought in here, see how much it holds. Next, I got this washi tape, which is a basic pattern. And I also got this washi tape dispenser. Let's figure out how to open this because it looks kind of complicated. Oh, it's not complicated at all. Just right. So they're like greens and pinks, which are nice colors that go together, in my opinion. There's this grid pink. There's other plain colors, but still really pretty ones. I rate these off of the color and quantity a 9 out of 10. And onto the dispenser, for which we will use for the washi tape. I got this in a beige, I think it was, color. There was green and pink, I think. So it's like a plastic that looks like glass, which I like that kind of aesthetic. And not really sure how we're supposed to put the washi tape on, but I will figure that out right now. So I figured it out. I just had to slip this out, and it fit 7 of them, except for this one. That's probably because of the size of these two. And they're kind of far from this, but overall I would rate this another 9 out of 10. Okay, so next I got these candy color highlighters, and it came a little open, but that's fine. It was a random color, so I didn't get to pick, but I knew they were going to be candy colored. And I am very happy with the colors I got because these are all some of my favorite colors. So I'm going to get that paper back and we're going to test them. Let's start with this greenish brown. Oh, it's more of a brown, yes. This seems like it has a lot of color in it. It has a lot of ink in it. So I'm going to rate this one a 10 out of 10. There's pink. This one also has a lot of color in it. I love the color of this one because it's more of a peach. So I'm going to rate this one a 10 out of 10. Next is a lavender. I love the color on this one. I have to rate this one an 11 out of 10. We have the blue one. This one also has a lot of color. I think they all do. So I'm going to give this one a 9 out of 10. And for this more greenish one, oh, it's more kind of like a dark bluish turquoise. I like that color. So I'm going to rate it a 9 out of 10. And for the last one, but not least, is it looks tan in the camera, but it's a light pink, the outside. I like the color on this one, and I like how it's really light, so I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I also got sticky notes, one for Dolly and one for me, and I actually reviewed a different type of these, but they were still from TEMU for my first order, and guessing that these are the same, I'm going to rate these a 10 out of 10. They have like a kind of plasticky feel. Moving out of stationery, I got this water sprayer, more specific, a continuous water sprayer. And Dolly has gotten one for her birthday, and we were all using it, so I decided to get one for me. And this is a 500 milliliter bottle, and let's hope this works just as well as the other one we have. And last in my order, but hopefully not least, I got this LED starry projector projection light, and I got the Aurora Borealis, if I pronounced that right, kind. So it came a little open and kind of looking a little rough and damaged, but everything seems to be in here just like the description said. So here's the actual light. Oh, the top's coming off. I hope that's normal. It's a lot smaller than I anticipated. And here is the remote for it, and the charger, and instructions. Now that the video is close to an end, like I have promised, I will put everything that I got in here and see how it fits. So this is after I stuffed everything in there, and in the first compartment there is the pop puck and the utility knife, along with the highlighters and the pens. And in the inner pocket here there is the magnetic pen with the sticky notes in the back. And in the middle pocket there is the 3-tier slider with the correction tape and the washi tapes. And in the last pocket, which you can see the stuff in the middle, is the quadrilateral and the mini sliders. And as you can see, I couldn't fit the washi tape dispenser, obviously not the spray bottle or the light projector, but they were too big for it. But overall, on this order, I rated a major 10 out of 10. And this is how the light I got works.